Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to clear up a question a lot of Mac users still have. How do you install iTunes on macOS Sequoia or macOS Tahoe? The short answer is, you can't. On macOS Sequoia and later versions, iTunes is no longer supported. The tool that used to bring it back, called Retroactive, has been discontinued and no longer works on newer macOS versions, so the old method is officially gone. But don't worry, this is actually a good thing. Apple has already replaced iTunes with a set of built-in apps that are faster, cleaner, and easier to use. Here's how things work now. Music handles all your songs, albums, and playlists. TV is for movies and TV shows. Podcasts manages podcasts. Books is for ebooks and audiobooks. And Finder is now used to sync your iPhone or iPad. So instead of one big app, everything is split into simpler, focused apps. Let's start with the Music app, which replaces iTunes for music. To open it, click on Launchpad, or press Command plus Space to open Spotlight, then type Music and hit Enter. Click the Music app to open it. This is where you manage your music library, buy songs from the iTunes Store, and stream music with Apple Music if you're subscribed. If you used iTunes before, your music is safe. When you open the Music app for the first time, it usually automatically imports your old iTunes library, including your songs, albums, and playlists. So even though iTunes is officially retired, the new Music app and Apple's built-in tools give you a smoother and more modern experience. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.